arrived in Punjab electric buses, that we have shifted our entire mass transit to electric buses, and this is across Punjab in South Punjab, Centre Punjab, and North Punjab. We have these buses now, so it's a carbon offset that we are looking at, and the study is also going on that what is the impact of, so she's big on green mobility, and the green transport is her vision for next 4 years across Punjab. We are investing into state-of-the-art electric ARTs and SRTs, adding, it's a track-driven train bus, so we are introducing it in Faisalabad, in Lahore later, and in Gujranwala. So that's under the green mobility. Then we have to, of course, climate change vision 2025. You all must go through that. It tells the vision for next 10 years, and with a complete target-oriented policy action plan embedded into that document. So it's just not a vision or a policy document. It has the action plan, sectoral action plan also, which is being monitored at the central dashboard of the Chief Minister. We've also introduced for engage the younger population, the youth of the country, and we have a green credit program, which is your individual carbon offset program. So you get credits, you get cash. If you replace your motorbike, you get 100,000 from the government. If you replace your three-wheeler, you get 100,000 from the government. So it's an incentive program, and also a carbon offset, carbon credit, national carbon credit program. So most importantly, I've spoken about the vehicular fitness program. When we started off, we did not have any data with us, as I was saying, and we relied on international websites like IQ Air, like NASA website. So these, the major seasonal contributor to AQI, high AQI levels in Lahore and now in Multan also. We've seen smog reached Peshawar and Karachi last year as well. So that easterly wind corridor from India and the size, the scale of stubble burning at the bordering areas in Indian Punjab was a major contributor, and this wind corridor towards Pakistan, which we call easterly wind corridors, plays very, very important and critical role and major contributor to seasonal AQI high levels. So for that, we had started a transboundary engagement, but due to recent events, we are again starting to take this up with maybe through UN or World Bank with India. And then this entire intervention, entire reform is citizen-centric. So Breathe Pakistan is also a very important vehicle for awareness raising, that it's a consequence of what we do, how we act, and what are our choices as citizens, as nation. And of course, we can give policy, we can amend laws, we can make monitoring more IT-based, technology-based and robust, but then at the end of the day, the responsibility is shared, and whatever we choose has consequence on the environment, on climate change, and of course climate resilience. We have seen in floods that recent floods, 3 rivers of Punjab in super flood, and we see that where we have done construction and where we have intervened and interjected the environment, the natural flows of river, we had seen lots of devastation and major devastation in those river plains and river beds. So the Chief Minister is, she's given direction, and we are working on how to rehabilitate and how to rehabilitate our irrigation infrastructures, and also how to rehabilitate our communities and shift them to the safer part of Punjab. So this is, I can keep talking about these interventions the entire day, but this is something, fugitive dust. Now when you're roaming around and when you're going around Lahore, every construction site is EPA certified. That means we have sprinklers at every site across a construction site, because fugitive dust is a major contributor to seasonal AQI and also to seasonal AQI levels and also high levels around the year. Plastic. Plastic is something which the Chief Minister is overseeing herself. Zero plastic Punjab, plastic-free Punjab, plastic-less Punjab. We are working on for last a year and a half. And the important thing is that around
लाहौर में सीनियर सूबाई वज़ीर मरियम औरंगज़ेब का सैयार से खिताब कहा कि माहौलियाती आलूदगी पर काबू पाने के लिए सनतों को भी एतमाद में लिया जा रहा है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।